Envision Assistant app provides an AI-based chat experience to help obtain photo descriptions. In this podcast, Mr. Oudai Vann walks us through the noticeable features of this app.
Hello Blind Health Project community, my name is Oudai Vann. Today I'm come with the video excitement about opportunity to test the new app from Envision company. It's called Envision Assistant. This app you can use like ChatGPT for to be talk like general human voices, and alternatively you can rely on AI to describe every picture that you take using your phone camera, or you can import the photo from your gallery. So let's try it out. You can choose different voices in the settings. You can explore by your own. This app is still in development. If you want to test it out, feel free to go to the website envisionassistant.com, and then you can find the sign up form to test it out on Android and iOS. You can sign up the form and wait for the email invitation. So let's try it out. Now I'm in the application menu interface of Envision Assistant. So let's see what is the button has in the application. That is has 4 buttons. The first button, it's called Start the Conversation. That is the microphone icon. When you double tap on that, you can speak and ask the question to Assistant. The second button, it's called Take a Photo, which means the application will use your back camera to take a picture, and the AI will describe out loud to you. The third button is called Import Photo. You can import photo from the gallery to the AI to be described. And the fourth button, that is the settings. You can explore by yourself. So let's try. I will try to speak with Assistant and ask any question. Hello, how are you today?
Hello, I'm here and ready to help you. How can I assist you today?
Okay, when you use this Start Conversation button, if you use Android platform, you will hear the voice search like the YouTube voice search or Play Store voice search. If you use iPhone, I believe that sound scheme will be like a Siri old version. Let's explore what on the screen has when you speak to the AI. Use the button Start Conversation Finish.
Close.
You can close.
Start speaking.
This is the title.
Hello, how are you today? You.
This is my script.
Assistant. Hello, I'm here and ready to help you. How can I assist you today?
Okay, it's also appeared the text on the screen as well. This box, the screen reader read nothing for now, but you can use to type with your keyboard to the AI. But note, if you use typing feature, the AI will not speak out loud to you. You need to use the Start button to speak to the AI.
Start.
This is the Start button. So I will talk to the AI. Tell me about today's video about the social media.
It sounds like you're interested in a recap or summary of a current social media topic that might be trending or covered in a recent video. Unfortunately, I don't have the capability to watch or provide content from today's specific videos, but I can certainly help you with some general knowledge or insights on recent trends in social media. Could you specify which platform or type of content you're interested in? For example, are you looking for updates on Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, or YouTube trends? Or do you have a specific topic in mind like digital marketing strategies, influencer news, or a specific event being covered on social media? Let me know how I can best assist.
Oh, that is great. So you can ask any question to the AI or speak like a best friend if you are boring sometimes. So let's try the feature called Take a Photo, and let's see what happens.
Take a photo.
I will take a photo in front of me. In front of me have a door and the curtain. So let's try. If you take a picture, it will has the sound to count down 3, 2, 1, and then you will hear the chime. You can speak to the assistant. What do you want assistant to do?
3.
Tell me anything about this picture.
This image shows a view from inside a room looking out through a set of glass doors. There are several key details you can observe. 1. Curtains, blinds. There are sheer vertical blinds or curtains partially drawn across the glass doors. The material is light and allows some visibility through them. 2. Exterior detail. Outside, you can see part of a balcony or patio area. There's a red chair visible through the glass, indicating outdoor seating. There are also plants visible, adding a bit of greenery to the space. 3. Indoor rug mat. Inside the room, there's a red shaggy rug or mat on the floor right in front of the glass doors. 4. Lighting. The lighting appears to be natural. filtering in from outside, which suggests the picture was taken during the day. The image captures a tranquil, homey setting with an indoor-outdoor connection featuring simple decor both inside and outside the room.
Yeah, that is great. So the feature import photo, it's different and similar like the feature take a photo. My opinions, I like the most for this application. I have two in mind. The first one is the natural voices. I'm not boring like I am talk with robot. Imagination like I'm talk with a real human. And the last thing is the application describe the photo and tell us every detail. I hope you like this video. What is your opinion with this Envision Assistant? You can leave us the comment down below. See you guys next video. Goodbye.